Ever pondered over the inner workings of your digital watch or the magic behind the automatic temperature control in your car? Well, the unsung hero behind these marvels is a concept known as embedded systems. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of these systems, breaking them down into bite-sized, digestible pieces. Imagine a system that's been designed for a specific function within a larger system. This, in essence, is an embedded system. It's like a cog in a machine, working tirelessly behind the scenes. From microwaves to pacemakers, washing machines to airplanes, embedded systems are everywhere, making our lives easier and more efficient. To truly understand embedded systems, it's essential to first grasp the concept of a system. In the simplest terms, a system is an organized scheme or a methodical arrangement of components that work together to perform a particular task. When we say embedded, we mean that this system is a component of a larger system, helping it perform its function more efficiently. It is embedded as part of a complete device system that includes hardware, mechanical parts, and other electronic and non-electronic components. In the heart of an embedded system, there's a microcontroller or a microprocessor. These are like the brains of the operation, controlling the functions of the system. They take inputs from the device, process them, and produce an output. The magic of embedded systems lies in their versatility. They can be as simple as a microcontroller in a toy, or as complex as a supercomputer in a weather forecasting system. They can be standalone, like a digital camera, or networked, like traffic control systems in a city. Embedded systems also come in real-time varieties, where they must respond to inputs immediately, like in airbags in cars, or non-real-time, where they can take their time to respond, like a digital thermostat. Now let's recap what we've learned today. An embedded system is a dedicated system within a larger mechanism designed to perform a specific task. It's built around a microcontroller or a microprocessor and can be as simple or as complex as needed. It can work on its own or as part of a network and may be designed to respond in real time or non-real time. And there you have it. The world of embedded systems might seem complex, but when you break it down, it's just a bunch of smart systems working together to make our lives more efficient. And the next time you marvel at your digital watch or enjoy the comfort of your temperature-controlled car, remember the humble embedded system working behind the scenes to make it all possible.